Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher, and that's where I kind of post all my finished makes for crochet and knitting alike. And today it is now the 2nd of April. This has been here for a few days, but it's now the weekend, which means I get to open it, and that is this month's Crochet Society box. Now, let's just open, shall we? Cue lots of rustling. Okay, so I have a thing for hexagons, and this is like a proper spring-like box. It's really pretty. I'm really hoping that they've started to take on board all of our comments and started to kind of match the yarn and projects inside to what's outside on the box. So let's open it up and have a look, shall we? Okay. Okay, so inhale, exhale. So this is kind of like a yoga sort of quote. So I'm really hoping this is kind of like a relaxing sort of box. We've got really nice pale pastel yellow tissue paper. Oh, it does match the box. I wish there was like a third ball though, maybe like a pink to go with it. So we have 2 balls of DK yarn, both say Stay Crafty. One is like this really nice pastel-y blue. It's bamboo polyamide. It's really, really soft. So we've got in the pastel blue, where am I going to put stuff? And this is more like a greeny colour, like a really pale pastel green. They don't have colours, they just have numbers. So we have 2 balls of that. They are so soft, they are slipping out of my hands. Okay, so we have those 2. There's some random bits in here. We've got lots of hexagons. All different hexagons with different speckles on them. Pink, blue and yellow and a light green to match the box. There are 8 of those. Not sure what they're for. There's a pack of blocking pins. Oh, these are the T-bar pins. They're little metal pins. So I'm assuming then there is a hexagon project in here, and you can pin them to the hexagon blocking mats. We'll have a look. We have a teeny tiny hexagon, a stitch marker. This one is on a light pink base instead. Most of the others we've had have been on white bases, but this one is pink. And then we have a crochet hook with the same sort of speckles at the end, and it is a 3.75. And then we have our book of patterns. So let me put the rest back in the box. And let's have a look at the booklet. So on the front we've got some more mittens. We've had quite a few mitten patterns recently. Let's have a look. So they use both the colours. Right, it says, welcome to your quiet and calm Crochet Society box. We all need a little quiet and calm, and as we know, crochet is the perfect way to create a sense of peace. I love taking a little time out of my day to sit in a tranquil place and let each stitch bring me mindfulness. So yeah, as always, we have our abbreviations on the back, so our little conversions, and we have 3 projects. We have Peace of Mind Mandala, Mindful Mitts and Gentle Waves Cushion. We also have Tea and Chat with Sophie of Sophie Stitches. Our What's in the Box page, yarn ideas, how to use the little blocking mats, so they'll be quite fun to try. And then there's a page on mellow yellow, so different yarns, I think, in the colour yellow. So we have Tea and Chat with Sophie Minahan. I'm awful at reading people's surnames. Really awful at it, so I hope I haven't messed that up. So that's really nice. And then we have the first project, which is the Peace of Mind mandala. And then that is by Marino Russo, who is Bloody Mary Art with an I. So BLOODI Mary Art on Instagram. That's quite nice. I think that would be really nice in all different colours actually as well. Mix it up a little bit. We then have a what's in the box. So that's everything we got in the box this month. They're called blockbusters, the little hexagons. So we'll have a look, see how they work. You've then got different yarn that is bamboo. So you've got King Cole bamboo cotton. You've got Starcraft Naturals, Serdar Snuggly Baby Bamboo, Universal Yarn Bamboo Pop, and Sublime Isla. There we go. But they're all different pinks and greens. They're not actually the blue and green that we've got in this box. So there's those. Then we have the Mindful Mitts, which are by Elitza Grant, who is Elitza Grant Designs on Instagram. Oh, it's like an alpine stitch, that's quite nice. We then have information on becoming a blocking expert and all the tools you need, and then it's got all the steps on how to use the little blocking mats that are in here as well. That's quite cute like that, and they're very pretty too. Then lastly we have the Gentle Waves cushion, which is by Sophie, who is Sophie Stitches _UK on Instagram. So that's kind of like an intarsia style crochet. So I reckon you'd have to work from both ends of the blue to get the waves in that. Then we have a mellow yellow. Now I'm going to have to fold the book because the pattern for the cushion is on the other page. So different yarns in yellow. Shipier's Twinkle. I've not tried Shipier's Twinkle. There's a Rowan and an Exquisite Yorkshire Spinners Exquisite 4-ply. Yeah, nice splash of yellow to start the spring season. And then towards the back we have your makes, so what people have made from previous boxes. These are all actually from the same box, which is a similar box colour to this one. I don't know which, what does it say? Box 23. So there's a couple of Kitty Cat donuts. There's a couple of bags and the cow as well from that box. That used the retreat yarn, I believe, which is quite nice and thick. There's also a tea cozy on here as well. And then next month's box, it's kind of like old school 80s, like graffiti with neon lights and stuff. So it'll be really interesting to see what that brings with it. So we are having repeats of patterns. We've had lots of hats. We've now got lots of mitts, a few cushions. But we are now on box, what is this one, 34? So you're going to get repeats, and that's fine as long as they are different and use different yarns and different techniques and things like that. So yeah, another box down. I love the outside of the box, and the yarn is so soft. I'm not sure I would do these projects. I'd probably do the mandala actually. I think that's quite nice, but I would add in more colours, so it's not just 2 colours. But yeah, that is our box for this month. Let's just pop everything in a way that you can see it all in the box, because then it's pretty. There we go. Everything in box 30. What did I say? 4. I've read so many now. They are kind of taking over my home as well. I need to start using them. Yeah, so thank you for joining me for this unboxing. Hope you've enjoyed that and my initial reaction to the contents, etc. And as always, this is not the only crochet box subscription that is out there. There is one by Curate, not by Curate, it's by Lottie and Albert, but it's called the Curate box. There is the Knit Crate, there are geeky boxes, there are stationery boxes, there are lots and lots of different options out there for whatever craft you are into. I just happen to subscribe to this one. As always, I'm not affiliated or endorsed or anything like that. I just buy the subscription and like to record my opening for you. So yeah, I'll see you all again next month. Take care. Bye.